Tim Tim TV.
Hopping of egg inside a nest on branch of a tree. Hatching of egg and chicklet. The baby bird hatches. A few weeks pass. Mummy, Hush! I have come, chicklet. Where did you go? I had flown to get food for you. I also want to fly like you. Shh, chicklet. Right now you are weak and delicate. You do not have feathers on their body. You need to become stronger and bigger to take flight. Be patient. I wonder how my mother is able to fly. A bird is an animal that can fly. Most birds fly with the help of their wings. A bird has light and hollow bones, which keeps its body light. A bird has strong chest muscles. A bird's body is shaped like an aeroplane, which helps it to cut through air. A few more weeks pass. Baby bird is ready to fly. Chicklet, now you are ready to fly. Come, I will teach you. I can fly? You will teach me? Hooray! Can I really fly? Yes, flight is the main means of locomotion for us birds. Your feathers will help you to fly. You have 3 types of feathers. These feathers are fluffy and keep you warm. These body feathers cover your body and give you the shape of a bird. These flight feathers are long feathers on your wings and the tail. These will help you to fly and change direction. Chicklet has learned to fly, so it goes around exploring its surroundings and finds many different birds. Chicklet goes up to each bird to have a closer look at its beak. That's a woodpecker drilling a hole in a tree to find insects and build a nest. An eagle and an owl are tearing the flesh of prey and enjoying a meal. I better keep away. A parrot is digging out seeds from a large and tough fruits. Yummy fruits! A hummingbird is poking deep into a flower for nectar. I wonder how nectar tastes. A sparrow is cracking a seed. That's my cousin. A duck is straining out mud and water from its food. Very wet food. A hen is picking their food out of the ground. Hey, leave some food for me too. A heron, a stork, and a kingfisher are spearing fish out of the water. I don't like fish. Come, chicklet, I will teach you how to catch your own food, a worm. Chicklet is also fascinated with the claws of birds. It is proud of its own little beak and claws. Chicklet learns to catch a worm using its feet, claws, and of course, its beak. Chicklet notices that different birds have different types of feet and claws. Perching birds like crow, sparrow, and mynahs have 4 toes to hold the branch firmly with their claws while perching. Perching birds! Climbing birds like parrots and woodpeckers have 2 toes to help them to climb and to cling to the bark of trees. Climbing birds! Birds of prey like eagle, hawk, vulture, and owl have very strong and sharp claws called talons. They use their claws to catch and hold their prey firmly. Birds of prey! Swimming birds like ducks and swans have webbed feet to swim and float in water. Swimming birds! Scratching birds like hens have claws to scratch the ground to search for worms. Scratching birds! Wading birds like cranes, flamingos, and herons have very long legs to wade in water. Wading birds!